What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here in the garage. There is still snow on the ground, as you can see. We're not riding today. That sucks. I just can't wait for the warmer weather to come. But right now, we're stuck in the garage. But I wanted to show you something that I got, and I wanted to install it real quick. It's an easy install, but you know, they always say loud pipes save lives. Yes, being heard is a must on the bike, but it's very important that you are seen also. And what I got from Custom Dynamics is this Magic Strobe. Now what the Magic Strobe does is basically takes your tail lights and makes them flicker red. There's so many times that I've come to a stop and I'm like Route 17 by me. It's like a highway slash a lot of the lights on it. And if you're stopped at the light, these cars are coming pretty fast at you. So I just want to make them aware that it is a red light and I'm stopped at the light. So what I usually do before I had this Magic Strobe, before I install it, I would always just pump my brakes to let them know, slow down, I'm sitting here at the stoplight. So this Magic Strobe basically takes care of what I'm doing at the light. Instead of pumping the brakes and basically letting people know, these will flicker for a good 4 times, 5 times, and then shut off. So I could literally don't have to squeeze the brake anymore just to warn them that I am stopped at the light, which I really like. So when you're on like a busy road like Route 17 by me that has lights on it and it's kind of a fast moving road, you definitely want to be seen at the lights. You definitely want to be seen, period. So you know, a lot of people are distracted these days. A lot of people are basically texting and driving, not paying attention. So you want to be seen, you want to be heard, and this is just an extra level of protection for myself, so I could be seen and not get hit. But let's install it real quick. It's easy install. It's really nothing to it, but I'll show you real quick. All right, real quick, we're just gonna take seat nut off here. To the side, pull the seat off, nice and easy. And then we have all the wiring here. Now I do have Zero3D products. I'm not sure if they do make a Magic Strobe Zero3D, but I really wanted the Custom Dynamics one, so I went with it. Got it off Get Lowered right there. Fast shipping, I'm telling you, 1-day shipping, literally. It was at my front door. I ordered on a Thursday morning and I got it Friday afternoon. Shout out to Get Lowered. But it's simple. We're gonna, in the directions, here are your lights right here. This black one for the 2020 Road Glide. What I'm basically gonna do is pop this off, nice and easy. And now the Custom Dynamics piece will sit between the two here. So let me get it out of the box. So we got the piece right here. Custom Dynamics has 2 ends. This module will sit between the lights, and this is where the magic happens, right here. Now on the back here, see this little plastic piece that's covering here? You can actually change the settings on it. I like the settings as it is right now. Number 1, it says it blinks or flashes 4 times, and it'll stop. So that's all I need. I don't need it to go strobing the whole way. Just 4 times is always good enough. And if I need to do it again, I would just pull the brake in again. So we're gonna do that. So very simple. We're gonna take this piece. Simple, we're gonna take this piece that connects all my wiring, all my lights into here. Nice audible click. And then also what we're gonna do is basically gonna take this one right here. I'm not gonna pull it out of its plug, but make sure it's lined up nice and easy, and click right there. Now, wire management. My good friend Nadal will probably hate me because just looking at all the wirings, he'll have a heart attack right now. And so basically we're just gonna fix the wire, but first let's test it out. Let's make sure these are connected. So it's all plugged in. Let's test them out. All right, so I'm gonna turn on the bike here, and now you'll see what the Magic Strobe can do. Like I said, there are 7, 8 settings on this, but the first setting is fine with me. It'll strobe for 4 times, and then come to a solid red. Which I like, especially when you are braking, go to a stoplight, or if you are on a busy road and you're sitting at the light, at least people could see you. So that was the front brake. It also works with the back brake. So this just adds a level of protection that you'll need when you're out on the road, which I really like. I've always wanted the Magic Strobe for the bike just because, like I said, for me, it's better to be seen. And of course, it's good to be heard too, but you'll always hear people say when they get into accidents, I didn't see him. So having the Magic Strobe by Custom Dynamics will cut down that I didn't see them when you stopped at a light, or when you are on the side of the road, or when you're braking hard. So that's always good to have. Well, anyway, guys, that was just a real quick install of this video. It's really simple, plug and play, no problems, but it is always important to be seen. And I want to be seen on YouTube. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I got some other stuff coming. As you saw, if you don't know, as I saw on IG, I did also get levers for this bike. So we're going to do an install for that. That's coming up. I am definitely considering changing out my lights to Custom Dynamics. As you can see right there, the bagger blade failed again. This is the second time. Yes, I know through Zero 3D could probably change it, but I do like the Custom Dynamics lights, so we'll see. For now, I just wanted the strobe to make sure I'm seen on the bike. So if you haven't checked out my last video, click right here. It's me practicing on the bike. If you don't want to check that out, it's okay. Just subscribe right here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.